NAKTO 250W eBike 20 electric bicycle, 20 mph adults electric city bike with removable 36V10 battery, professional 6-speed gears eBike, orange. 36V10 lithium battery pony is equipped with a removable 36V10 lithium-ion battery that can reach 20 to 30 miles to 40 to 50 miles. Assist mode, the auxiliary mode can be rid of under ideal conditions. The lithium battery 36V10 is typically charged for 3 to 4 hours and has a cruising range of 28 to 38 miles.Plenty for a day's adventure or most trips to travel and back. You can charge the battery on/off the eBike by your convenience. No worry for being stolen. Stronger 350W motor. The Commute eBike Pony is equipped with 250W high-speed brushless motor, providing more than enough to power your daily commute, a cruise on the mountain, or a meander along your favorite trail. With speeds up to 20 miles per hour, it will get you there swiftly. High-cost performance parts. The light, strong aluminum alloy frame, a high-strength front magnesium alloy fork, front drum brake, rear disc brake can take your riding comfort to the next level and keep you safe. 3 working modes: pure electric MOD and electric pedal assist mode and pure pedal mode. You can change modes to enjoy a long time travel. Combining 3 modes would be a better choice for you. 1-year warranty. Our products are all in the US warehouse and you will receive them soon. We offer you a 100% risk-free satisfaction guarantee that you can buy with confidence. 1-year warranty and friendly customer service. We are very sure that you will be impressed with the durability, portability, and quality of our electric bikes. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.